Hello, students. I hope you are fine and taking good care of yourself. In today's video, let's know about Sachin Tendulkar, who is also known as the Master Blaster. Sachin Tendulkar was born in Mumbai on 24th April 1973. His father, Ramesh Tendulkar, was a Marathi poet and writer who taught in a college in Mumbai. Unlike his father, Sachin was never a man of letters. He loved to play cricket and was obsessed with the game. Tendulkar's father was not particularly interested in cricket, but he was supportive to Sachin and never tried to impose his personal wishes on him. The only thing he said was, whatever you do in life, be sincere and honest. Sachin was very much impressed by his father's personality. As he himself says, I grew up looking at my father as to how to behave. In watching him, I grasped so many things. His own temperament was of a calm person. He was very composed, and I never saw anger in him. To me, that was fascinating. Sachin showed a remarkable passion for cricket and at an early age of 10 was batting with a bat bigger than himself. His initial cricket was played on the road and in the colony playground. When he was 11, he moved to his uncle's house near the Shivaji Park area so that he could join coaching classes for cricket in summer vacation. It was his elder brother Ajit who was convinced about Sachin's potential for cricket. He took him to the noted cricket coach Ramakant Achrekar, who, after some hesitation, took Sachin under his guidance. The new coach's methods were simple. He believed in putting his pupils in real match situations and play competitive cricket. He would place a 1 rupee coin on top of the stump and say, anyone who gets him out would take this coin. If no one gets him out, Sachin is going to take it. It was a big thing for Sachin to get that coin for himself. He lost a couple of times, but he has 13 coins with him and he didn't spend that money. Sachin became famous after the partnership of 664 runs with his close friend Vinod Kambli in an inter-school tournament in 1988. Just after 1 year in 1989, he got his break when he was selected to play his debut match against Pakistan. Tendulkar was only 16 years at that time. At the age of 12 and 13, Sachin was practicing 12 hours a day. So while his friends enjoyed music and films, he played cricket. Since that day, Sachin never looked back. He has played 200 test matches and 463 one day internationals. He has made 18,426 runs in one day internationals and 15,921 runs in test matches. Not only this, Sachin is an excellent bowler too. There is a great variety in his bowling and he has the reputation of breaking the most stubborn partnerships. He has taken 46 wickets in 200 test matches and 154 wickets in 463 ODIs. Sachin Tendulkar has very strong bonds with his family. During the World Cup 1999, his father died. Sachin came to India for his funeral but went back to England the next day to play for his country. And in the first match that he played after his father's death, he scored a century. When he completed his 100 runs, he looked towards heavens and closed his eyes. That was his tribute to his father. Sachin Tendulkar didn't stop here. His determination again took the Indian team to the final of World Cup in 2003. Though Australia won that World Cup, the Master Blaster won the prestigious Man of the Tournament trophy. The greatest characteristic of Sachin Tendulkar is his humility. As he himself says, if you remain humble, people will give you love and respect even after you have finished with the game. He is always polite and never gets angry. He is also a very religious person with extreme faith in God. His two favorite deities are Ganpati and Sai Baba. He believes that his talent and success are all because of God's grace. But nobody can doubt his commitment to cricket and the hard work he has put in to realize his talents. Sachin Tendulkar says that don't stop chasing your dreams because dreams do come true. So, my dear friends, always give your best and work hard to achieve your goals. Thank you.